We are gonna do the water pump and thermostat replacement on 2015 BMW 428i. So, as you see, the best way is go from the underneath. This is the water pump. We already replaced it right here. And this is the old one. So it has got the check engine light on. That's so on the thermostat and the water pump we already replaced both of them. The water pump you can get it somewhere from Worldpack. It's about 400 something. That was my cost. List price was about $700. That thermostat is almost $200. My cost was like 95 bucks. So anyway, you're gonna have a bracket with two star T30, and you're gonna remove those clamps, one here, the other one over there. Make sure you disconnect the connector, as you see over there where my finger is pointed. Disconnect the connector and take that off. You're gonna catch the coolant as well. So since the vehicle is under rack, I'm gonna explain to you. The water pump, the thermostat goes right against the timing chain cover, and you're gonna have two T20. Disconnect the sensor, and this is the quick connector clamp, and this is just like regular one, and this one is regular one. You have to twist them and take it off, replace that, and put the new one back in there. So the thing is, the procedure for the bleeding, you need to put the heater not in the full blast, but just adjust it to the high max and let the fan run at the low speed. Turn the ignition on and press the gas pedal for 10 seconds. When you release it, you're gonna hear the water pump start running. You're gonna hear the buzzing sound, and if you remove the coolant reservoir, you're gonna see that she's working. And you let it just do it for like about, I would say, 3 to 5 minutes, and the bleeding is gonna be finished by itself. That is all about this situation. So basically, again, there is no old-fashioned way water pump. This is the electronic water pump along with the thermostat. You're gonna replace that. Make sure you use the right coolant, especially on European car, to avoid having any further problem or anything like that. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give us a thumbs up if you like that kind of video.